Alright guys, Brian here. I'm at Trent's place. Rob, a couple guys from the club are here. It's the day before LMR. Trent blew his trans out. Well, I guess it's the throwout bearing.
Yeah, throwout bearing locked out, exploded, dug into the fingers on the clutch, and here we are. What time is it?
It's
like
10 o'clock. Well, it's almost 11 o'clock, so we're doing a quick pull the trans, put new clutch in, throwout bearing, and put it back in. We've already got all the bolts out, wires undone, table's coming in. We're about to manhandle this trans out. All right, we just pulled it out, and yeah, the throwout bearing gouges us pretty good. We're trying to fix it up a little bit. I think if we can just get that ridge off a little bit, it'll be okay, right? Man, this thing just literally exploded. All right.
Friday night, doing transition work.
That's what friends are for.
Oh yeah. Trent didn't think I was coming.
All right, where's your dad at?
He went to bed.
Yeah, I sat on my phone and broke the screen. That's why it looks all jacked up now on the forward-facing camera. Oops. All right, trans in. We're gonna snug up those bolts, put the stuff back together, drive shaft, exhaust. That's it, right? Drive shaft, exhaust.
Exhaust back on it?
You don't have to.
I thought we were just gonna run it like this.
Well, your neighbors might appreciate if you put your exhaust back on.
It's straight piped anyway.
Send it, no exhaust. Oh, starter bolts?
Yep, they're down there somewhere.
All right. What time is it?
Ben, what time is it?
Let's see.
Ben's falling asleep over there.
What?
Not too bad.
108.
You guys did a heck of a job.
We all did a heck of a job. Clutch cable fell off the quadrant. Trying to fix that up. Did you get it?
I forgot I'm not a fat kid in a little car. Oh.
Alright, take the slack out on the cable. Adjust the rest on the quadrant. Go to the firewall adjuster.
Now it's gonna fight.
Who's chairs?
Good?
Find out.
Let's get her down and start it up. See if it moves. Will she move?
Might help me put my shifter back on.
Yeah, you're gonna need a shifter, dude. Oh, that's a good sign.
You think behind me?
Come on.
About 3 inches off the floor it grabs. Starts to grab.
Is that what it's doing?
Yeah.
I'd say that's good. You can adjust it if you want.
Yeah, I can adjust it at the
I'd be
firewall.
okay with that.
Alright,
Good job, fellas.
move the two-step to 6K and let's go launch it.
Alrighty. Mission accomplished.
Boom! Thank you, sir.
You're very welcome. Glad I could help.
It may not be a Fox, but it's still the
It's
family.
still a Mustang.
Still the family.
Still a Mustang. All right. So I think the next time you see us, hopefully all of us, We'll be at LMR tomorrow.
Don't forget them.
They're going to be there too.
They're going to be
Say
there
hello.
too. They're all going to LMR.
And it's what, like 1 o'clock in the morning?
Yep.
Yeah. I get to wake
Now
up.
I gotta go pick up my kids. Drive like an hour to go get my kids, and then an hour back here to go to sleep, to wake up at 5:30,
Same here.
so we can go to Elmar.
Yep. I'm waking up at 4:30,
Boom.
I think. All right, and with that, we'll see you on the next part of this video, which will be tomorrow morning, assuming I wake up and my alarm goes off. Fingers crossed. All right, guys. See you in the morning.